our revenue was stagnating at around $10,000 to $15,000 per month. To achieve our goal of becoming a six-figure agency, we knew we needed to make changes. We focused on delivering real value to our clients and providing outstanding customer service to stand out in a crowded market. We also needed to be more strategic in our approach to client acquisition and marketing. One of the first things we did was specialize in a particular niche within the PPC industry. This allowed us to position ourselves as experts in that area, build a reputation quickly, and establish ourselves as a go-to company for clients seeking help in our niche. We created a website that showcased our expertise, experience, and results. We utilized social media platforms to connect with potential clients and showcase our work. By consistently sharing information, content, and engaging with our followers, we established ourselves as thought leaders in our industry. We introduced a tiered pricing model based on the amount of ad spend our clients were investing, allowing us to offer more customized services and charge more for our expertise. We also provided value-added services like analytics, conversion rate optimization, and landing page design, increasing the value we provided to our clients and differentiating ourselves from competitors. Leveraging the power of referral making, we offered referral incentives to our existing clients, encouraging them to refer us to their network. This helped us expand our client base quickly and cost-effectively. To reach our ideal clients, we focused on targeting marketing campaigns, including social media advertising and email marketing, and optimized our website to improve search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. By implementing these strategies, we made our first $50,000 per month within just 3 months. We continue to grow and expand our services, focusing on delivering value, providing outstanding customer service, and being strategic in our approach to client acquisition and marketing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.